O lesson number 5. English to Yumian. Now that you know how to ask someone to repeat themselves more slowly, the next natural step is for you to try to reduplicate what they've just taught you how to say. However, most of the time, you're not going to get it right straight off the bat. So, what you'll want to know how to ask is, did I say that right? This is how it goes in Mian. Yi gong zu yin fai? Did I say that right? Yi gong zu yin fai? Yao deng